Energy prices have been skyrocketing lately, and if you're wondering why that's happening and what it means for you, you're not alone. The surge in energy prices is impacting everyone, whether it's your monthly utility bill, the cost of gas at the pump, or even the price of goods you buy at the store. But what's causing this sudden spike? And more importantly, what can you do to protect your finances from these rising costs? Let's start by looking at some of the major drivers behind these soaring prices. First, supply chain disruptions have been a huge issue. Global trade and shipping have been severely impacted by the pandemic, and even now the ripple effects are being felt. Energy production, especially oil and natural gas, has also been disrupted in some of the largest producing regions around the world. On top of that, geopolitical tensions, especially in energy-rich countries, have added more uncertainty to the global energy market. If you've been watching the news, you'll know that conflicts or trade restrictions involving key oil-producing nations can send prices through the roof. This means that what happens on the other side of the world can have a direct impact on your wallet. Now, with inflation at higher levels than many of us are used to, the cost of energy becomes even more critical. As prices on everyday goods and services rise, energy costs increase even further, creating a cycle that's tough for many to break. And let's not forget about extreme weather events. Hurricanes, wildfires, and even deep freezes have the potential to damage energy infrastructure, which leads to supply shortages and ultimately price hikes. So what does all this mean for you? If you're one of the many American retirees living on a fixed income, the increase in energy prices can make a tough situation even worse. With less disposable income, you might find yourself stretching your budget thinner each month just to keep the lights on, let alone take care of other expenses. And that's where protecting your wealth becomes crucial. You may not be able to control global supply chains or geopolitical tensions, but you can make strategic decisions about how to protect your savings. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to shield their savings from rising inflation and market instability. Gold has historically been a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty, and with energy prices on the rise, it's an option that may be worth exploring for your financial future. Now, energy costs aren't the only thing you need to be concerned about. With inflation eating away at the value of your savings, it's even more important to consider diversifying your assets. You might have seen other options out there, stocks, bonds, real estate, but they're all tied to the whims of the market, which is volatile at best. Gold, on the other hand, has stood the test of time as a stable store of value. Think about it this way. When energy prices skyrocket and the cost of living goes up, the purchasing power of your money decreases. However, with a gold IRA, your investments are protected against inflation, giving you peace of mind knowing that your wealth is safe from economic turmoil. If you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5NM plus in savings, a gold IRA could be the perfect solution to help you stay ahead of rising costs. As we wrap up, remember that the global rise in energy prices isn't just a passing issue. It's a sign of deeper economic challenges ahead. But by taking action now, you can protect yourself from these challenges and secure your wealth for the future. If you're ready to take control and safeguard your financial future, click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide. It's a no-cost, no-commitment opportunity that can help you make smarter decisions with your retirement savings. Whether you're planning for the next few years or decades down the road, now is the time to act. Stay ahead of inflation, market volatility, and rising energy prices by getting the best gold IRA guide for American retirees today. Thanks for watching.